Greetings. How to buy VeChain. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy VeChain coin. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy VeChain. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission, kickback links and codes. Now, this is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. On this website, we can get all information about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain, and others. So easy. Now, how to buy VeChain? Firstly, we should go VeChain page and click. On this page, we can get information about VeChain coin. So easy. How to buy videos, Binance codes. Now, how to buy VeChain. Just one click. Let's go.